You are there, asking someone to check your last cool Instagram post. To find out that he doesn't have Instagram. He needs to connect with friends more than seeing images, so he went up with Facebook. Then you installed Facebook just to communicate with him. The cycle keeps going to end up with over 5 social media accounts. Everyone needs social media to communicate. But everyone chooses different social media app according to his or her own needs, causing pain to be able to communicate with others. Solving this problem is why Dfreemedia exists. Dfreemedia alone is more effective than other social media apps. Not because it can do what they can, but because you are the one telling it what it can do. Whether you want a chat app, image app, video app, or a normal social media app, you can customize Dfreemedia to make it perfect for your own needs. After our friend started using Dfreemedia, he was very amazed. With few clicks he made the app look as if it was made for him. He started sharing it with friends and it turned out that they replaced the old apps with Dfreemedia. Start using Dfreemedia now at dfreemedia.com. Peace out.